Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix working on it error when opening Downloads folder in Windows 11. Right-click Download folder, click Properties. Click Customize tab, change to Documents. Right-click Download folder, click Properties. Click Locations tab, click Restore Default. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.